Bummer. I hate it when that happens. Cut off on me. I reached the end of my 10 minutes because I kept fiddle farting around there. Okay. Um, I, I I changed my start and my end here to I want the width of the thing to be 1 foot 8, same as the footing. I'm assuming that's what we're going with. The plans don't really show. Let's go ahead and change our material to gravel. And then I think, all right, so it went the opposite direction. So let's make our end at minus 1 foot 8. All right, and that looks good. Okay, so let's go look at our 3D view. And there it is right there. This is it right here. It looks just like in the drawing. It goes from the bottom of footing down to our drainage tile right in here. Okay, and then up against the wall. When you do this grade beam, you gotta remember to drop it down to the bottom edge of footing level coming across when it joins in. Okay, so you're gonna do uh, the the drain tile fill all the way around at the bottom of all of the walls, and then these grade beam fills at each of the grade beam situations. Okay, and now let's look at our drainage pipe. So we'll go back to our top of footing level. Okay, and okay, I got everything on that I need, I think. All right, so I'm going to go over to the structure tab. Oh, sorry, systems tab, and go to pipe. And I've already done this, but you're going to go into your pipe defaults, and you're going to go edit. You can duplicate if you want to. Right now, we're going to leave it at. I tell you what, yeah, let's do because we're going to end up with more piping in the project. So let's duplicate it and call it drain tile. And routing preferences, let's edit that. And let's choose right here under pipe segment. They don't really have the drain tile pipe in here. Okay, so we're just going to go with the PVC rigid schedule 40, and go ahead and set it at 4-inch size because that's the only size that we're gonna use. And for the elbows, you'll have to load a family for the elbows, and it's down here in pipe fittings, PVC schedule 40, socket type, and let's go drain waste vent because that will differentiate a little bit. And we're just going to go with a bend. Okay, that's a 90-degree bend. I don't think that there's a T. Those are all T's. Traps, Y's. Okay, yeah, so we're just going to go with a bend. Oh, wait a minute, long sweep. I would rather have that. Okay, so let's go with a bend long sweep and set that size to 4-inch also. And then we can go okay, and because we're not going to use any of these others here. So we'll go okay, and then okay. And reference level top of footing offset. Let's go down 5.5 inches. And it doesn't have a slope to it. No, all the offsets will be the same there. So we go, okay. Now you want to draw this outside of your footing, because if you draw it inside your footing, you won't be able to see it. And we may get a little error message here. I don't know. And you notice as we're drawing, it's putting in the elbows for us. And no, it didn't like that. Okay. And all right, let's see. We should be able to join those. Okay, and now we'll dimension it. You can do it here, or you could do it in a section view, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Let's go to the section view here. All right, so here it is right here. Here's our pipe. Here's our gravel, and it should be, kind of centered into that gravel. So we're going to do a dimension from the edge of the footing to the center of the pipe, and I think 6 inches will work for that. Yeah, could do 5 inches, 6 inches, something like that. Um, that looks good. Okay. And so now let's go back to the floor plan view. And you can see that one is pulled into the gravel. Okay. So now you want to go ahead and dimension all of these around. It doesn't matter if you do it here, if you do it in the section view. And it may get a little interesting down here. We'll just see how it goes. Okay, so you don't need me to do all of those. Well, that's got our gravel fills around all these things, and that'll get the drain pipe as it goes around. And then you'll also want to do drain pipe around these also. And I'll have to think about that. Are we going to try and join these together or not? Um, we'll see about it. Okay. Um, that's weird. I got to look at that. Okay. Oh, yeah, it's just a graphics thing there, I guess. Okay, so you want to go ahead and get those things put in. Oh, that's that hole. Yeah. All right. Get that gravel put in and the piping put in, and then we're going to come back and talk about some rebar and how we're going to deal with that.